create your Amazon account. Then enter your name, email, and set a password. The password must be at least 6 characters, and then click Next. For your security, we'll send a one-time password to your email so we can verify your email address. Enter the one-time password from your email when prompted and sign into your account. Before you continue registering, make sure that you have the following information close by: business and contact address, phone number, chargeable credit card, and identity details. Now sign in using the account information that you've just set up. Choose the country where your business is located from the Business Location drop-down menu. Choose your type of business from the Business Type drop-down menu. It's really important to select the correct business type. Otherwise, your account status might be affected. I am going to choose Publicly Listed Business today. Enter your business name that you used to register with your state or federal government. Make sure that it's exactly the same name that appears on your business registration document. If you agree with the statement, "I confirm my business location and name are correct, and I understand that this information cannot be changed later," select the checkbox next to the statement. Next, click the links below the statement to read the selling agreements and notices. Click Agree and Continue if you agree to these agreements and notices. Next, you'll enter your business information, including your phone number. It's important to make sure this information is correct, as we'll provide you with a one-time PIN that you'll use to confirm your phone number. Once you receive the one-time PIN, enter it and click Verify. Remember to make sure that all the information you've entered is accurate, as we may send you a postcard with a verification code. You may be asked for this code at a later time to confirm your address. Enter the primary person's contact information and click Next. Then you'll enter your personal information and click Save. Read the next screen. If you understand the payment information, click I understand. Next, you'll enter your bank account details. Make sure that your seller account name matches the name on your bank account. You'll need to complete this step so that you can receive payments from the Amazon store and to move on to the next step of the account setup process. You can always change your bank account details once you've set up your account. After this, you'll provide the necessary identity verification, store and business information that's requested. After you register as an Amazon seller, you'll have access to your Amazon Seller Central account. Seller Central is your go-to resource for selling in the Amazon store.